Krishna students, today is my first class. I am your Sangeeta teacher. From now, I am going to take your class. So please cooperate with me. I have seen that you are having only 2 chapters left from final. That means from annual. And your post midterm already finished. So that two chapter I am not going to do now. I'll do those 2 chapters afterward. Okay. Now I am going to give you the post midterm project. Okay. Project also, and you can say this is one revision also, because this Sandhi definitely will come in your exam. Okay. Because I am going to make the question paper now. So please follow me. I'll give revision also. Don't worry. Okay. So I'm giving now your revision also, and this is your project also. How you have to do? You have to take a big chart paper, means full chart paper. Okay, not a half, full chart paper. There you write first Sandhi. Okay, then you have to write Sarasandhi. You have to do in the project only the Sarasandhi. Okay, not the Vyanjan Sandhi, not the Visarga Sandhi. So only Sarasandhi you have to do. So first Sandhi you will write, then Sarasandhi you will write. This under the Sarasandhi, no need to write this ko. Okay, that's why I am giving here this bracket. Then you have to write the Dirgha Sandhi. You can give the number 1 Dirgha Sandhi. Okay. Then you have to write this Sandhi. You have to write the rules. From this Sandhi you have to write the rules. This red color rules. Okay. Then you have to write the Sandhi. Not all. Which one I am giving here tick na? Those only you have to write in your project, and these are only the your revision also. Okay. No need to do all. You have to read the rules, and in project also you have to write the rules. Then under these rules, which are I have give tick. See, those things you have to write. That's all. Total 30 I have given. 30. Okay. See, I have given numbering also. So let's see. O plus O, A. Oh, before this, I'm saying this so that you can understand easily. But no need to write this Sangya. Okay. सवर्ण स्वर आपस में मिलकर दीर्घ हो जाते हैं. सवर्ण, that means both are when the same. Not only the same, like o, a, o, those things. If we're doing the sandhi, then it should be a, I, u, ri. Okay. So sasa plus anko, sashanko. Pito plus ambaraho, pitambaraho. Next see, o plus a. Here number 3, number 4, like that only you have to write. This middle, which are not given the tick, no need to write. Pustak plus alayaho, pustakalayaho. Him plus alayaho, himalayaho. Okay. Him. At the end we are getting o. Him. O. Okay. Mo. O is there. So o plus a. Okay. So next, a plus o, a. Vidya plus arthi. Vidya, akar, or arthi, o. So a plus o. See, a. Vidya plus arthi, vidyarthi. Shiksha plus arthi, shiksharthi. Okay. And up to 6 completed. Now go to next page. A plus a. Vidya plus alayah, vidyaalayah. Moha plus atma, mohatma. See, a plus a, mohatma. Now, choti oblique bari means either choti or bari plus either choti or bari. It should be bari only. So, ati plus iva, ativa, bari. Pori plus ikha, porikha, dirgha ikha. Okay. Pori plus bari, this one. Pari, choti plus bari. Definitely it should be bari. So, parikha. Pariksha, you can say in Sanskrit this is kshiya. In Bengali you are telling kya, and in Sanskrit you are telling kshiya. So pariksha. Pari plus iksha, pariksha. Next, U plus U, choti u oblique badi u plus choti u oblique badi u equal to definitely badi u only. So laghu plus urmi, laghurmi. Okay. For only one I have given from here. Then re oblique re plus re oblique re. Re. So it should be double re only. Okay. See, this is single re and this one double re. Plus single re or double re. And definitely should be double re only. Okay. So let's see. Pitri plus Rinam, Pitrinam, double re. Okay. Next, do Guna Sandhi. Okay. See here nicely, double re here, not the single re. Okay. So, next, Guna Sandhi. You have to do Guno Sandhi. Okay. See the Sangya. O या आ के बाद यदि भिन्न स्वर आए तो वे गुण हो जाते हैं. जैसे कि ए ओ और. ओके. सो ओ या आ के बाद यदि भिन्न स्वर मतलब ओ आ सी प्लस ई उ री. ओके. सो दोज आर नॉट सेम. ओ आ similarity as there, harsha dirgha are there, but here is coming totally different. Either e, u, re, this type of another sarvana is coming. Okay, fully different bhinnas are coming. So there will be guna sandhi, and guna means there will come a, o and or. What? A, o, or. So see, Dev plus Indraha, Devendraha. What is the rules? O plus E equal to A. This is question, number 13. You have to do this one. Param plus Visaraha, Iswaraha, Parameswaraha. Okay. So this is 14. A plus E, A. A is coming. Now I am giving this. You have to do. Okay. Maha plus Indraha, Mahendraha. Maha plus Isaha, Mahesaha. Surya plus Udayah, Suryodayah. Ganga plus Urmi, Gangarmi. See, or coming, or. Ganga plus Urmi, but you. Ganga plus Urmi, Gangormi, Gangormi, Gangormi. Or is coming, Gangormi. Sapto plus Risihi, Saptarsi, Saptar. Or is coming, Saptar Risihi, Saptarsihi. Okay. So, which I have given the number and given tick, you have to write those, and you have to write the rules also. See, I have given the underline here. Those you have to write, but not the all. I not given all. See, I not given this one. I not given this all. I not given this one. So, no need to do those. This, which one I have given tick, these are only the revision, and this one only you have to do in the chart paper. Okay. Now see, Briddhi Sandhi. Okay. ओ से परे ए ओ या ओ के आने पर दोनों का वृद्धि एकादश हो जाता है. एकादेश हो जाता है. मतलब ओ आ से परे मतलब ओ आ दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड शुड बी ए ओ या ओ के आने पर दोनों का वृद्धि एकादेश हो जाता है. दोनों ही चेंज हो जाता है. सो इट शुड बी ऐ और ओ. ओके. अत्रो प्लस एव अत्रैव. मतो प्लस ऐकम मतैकम. सदा प्लस एवो सदैव. Okay. And see the rules. Okay. So this one 20, 21. Now see kho. O a plus o equal to o. Okay. Go to next page. A plus o. Moha plus oushadhihi. Mohaushadhihi. Why dhihi? Because there is visarga. Okay. A plus o. Moho okar is coming. It is told here na that okar will come. So okar came. Moho sa dhihi. Okay. Now see the next one. Yan संधि, यन संधि. ओके, हर्ष या दीर्घ ई उ री एंड ली के बाद यदि कोई भिन्न स्वर आए, दैट मीन्स दिस साइड शुड बी ई उ री ली. ओके, दिस साइड शुड बी लाइक दिस, and this side means another side will be bhinna sar, that means totally another saravarna, swar but not the vyanjan, because this is saravarna, sarasandhi. Okay, so this side will be e u ri li and that side should be koi another swar, another saravarna. Okay, अर्थात e plus o, u plus e यादि like this. ओके, तो क्रमशः पहला वर्ण बदलकर य व र ल हो जाता है. सो फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी चेंज इनटू य र ल. ओके, य र ल व हो जाता है. फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी चेंज, नॉट द सेकेंड लेटर. ओके, और तब दूसरे वर्ण के साथ मिलता है एंड देन इट विल एड विद द नेक्स्ट लेटर. That means संधि पॉटर साथे जुक्त हो जाए. इट शुड बी संधि, इट विल ऐड. ओके, दूसरे वर्णों के साथ मिलता है. इस परिवर्तित रूप को यन कहते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द संज्ञा नो नीड टू राइट. संज्ञा विल नॉट कम इन एग्जाम. संज्ञा नो नीड टू राइट इन द प्रोजेक्ट. संज्ञा यू विल रीड ओनली फॉर द अंडरस्टैंड. टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस you have to do it. Okay, now see, you have to read it, that's all. E plus E plus asaman saravarna, asaman saravarna, that is another saravarna only. So E plus O, yo. Yadi plus api, yadyapi. So ya is coming, this is ya phala, doye ja phala, ya phala. So yadi plus yapi, yadyapi. Okay, now see the next one. Vari plus a equal to yo. So yo will come. Nadi, vari nadi plus ambu, o. Nadi plus ambu, nadyambu. Okay, nadi plus ambu, nadyambu. Now see the next one. Nadi plus ambu, nadyambu. Then next this one. E plus a, ye. A की मात्रा will be extra with a, yo. So yo plus a, ye. E plus a, ye. Proti plus ekam, pratyekam. Proti plus ekam, pratyekam. You have to write this underline rules, then this example. Okay, for the project. But in exam, I will give either this side one, you have to do this side one, or I will give this side one, you have to do this side one in exam. Okay, sandhi. But in project, you have to write the rules also. These rules and these rules. That ka kha ga, these rules. Red color rules and this black color rules together you have to write. Okay, this one should be heading and then side you have to write this, then example you have to write with the number. This number I have given now, number 26, like this. Now see, ri plus a, ra. So matri plus agya, matragya. Matri plus agya, matragya. So ra is coming. Matrik gana, it should be matragya. So rokar plus akar. Toye rofola this one, then akar. So matra plus gya akar, matragya. Okay. Now see the next one. 5. Oyadi sandhi. Oyadi sandhi. Okay. A oi o ke pare. That means this side should be a oi o. Okay. परे, that means that side. यदि कोई भिन्न स्वर आए तो ए का ओय, ओई का आय, ओ का अव. That means a should be oy, oy should be I, O should be av, O should be av हो जाता है. ओके, तब दूसरे वर्ण के साथ संधि होता है, अर्थात ए प्लस ओ, ए का क्या होता है, ऑय, ऐसे चेंज हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी. ए प्लस ओ शुड बी ऑय, ने प्लस ऑयम, नॉयनम, ऑय केम, नॉय ऑय केम, नो प्लस ऑयम, सॉरी, ने प्लस ऑयम, noyonam, ne plus oyom, noyonam. You have to remember like this for the exam, but in project you have to write the rules and the example and these rules also, but no need to write the sangya. I am telling again and again these things, please don't do mistake. Okay, now next one, o plus o, of, bho plus anam, bhavanam, bho plus anam, bhavanam. Okay, oi plus a, I, what, oi plus a, I, goi plus akah, gayakah, goi plus akah, gayakah. Okay, so this one your 30 and this much only your today's work, not today's work, your project work. Okay, and this 30 sandhi only your post mid revision from sandhi. Okay, so from this, if you read this 30 sandhi, I'll give definitely from there only, but in exam if I give this side one, you have to write that side one, and if I give that side one, you have to write this side one. Remember this. Okay, so these 30 are very very important sandhis. Okay, Hare Krishna. Please remember now only and start the project from today. And do it colorfully and beautifully. Okay, and don't write too much small. That's why I'm telling, use full big chart paper. It should be big letter, big letter, and it should be clean, fully clean. Okay, Hare Krishna. Or one more thing, sorry, that number are there na, number 4, number 5, you can make before those number one line also, but that one your choice. How you can make it beautifully, that is fully your choice. But if it should be beautiful, colorful, then only I'll give full marks, otherwise not. And no mistake should be there, no mistake, 0 mistakes should be there. Okay, then only you will get full marks, otherwise not. And today I'll give the date also, please follow the date, means last date. Okay, last date I am going to give, please follow the last date. Up to 10 PM I'll give the time. Okay.